Instead of throwing the peels in the trash, I toss them into a dirty oven. I spread them out, turn on the heat, and wait for the result. Next time you bake an apple pie, try it yourself. Apple peels, just like the whole fruit, contain malic acid, known for its antibacterial, antifungal, and mildly whitening properties. It is a completely natural substance that effectively removes greasy stains from the inside of the oven. To use its benefits, simply spread fresh apple peels on a baking tray and place it in an oven heated to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. For an even better result, squeeze the juice from half a lemon. Add about 10 ounces of water and 10 ounces of vinegar. Mix these 3 ingredients. Finally, pour into a spray bottle and mist the oven. After half an hour, remove the dried peels, wait until the oven has completely cooled down, and then wipe its interior with a damp cloth. It is important to use fresh peels, so you can clean the oven right after baking an apple dessert. Just toss the peels onto the tray after taking the cake out and wait a moment. The acid from the apples will do the work.